12 Amazon Jobs for Single Moms. Hello ladies, welcome to Single Moms Who Make Money. This is the place where you will gain knowledge on how to make money and provide information to help single mothers be successful. For regular updates, please hit the little cute button and tap the bell icon for future videos. Now let's make some money ladies. The openings and opportunities that one can find at Amazon have different approaches and earning potentials. A few of them are worth trying as a business or a full-time job, while other opportunities are the best fit as part-time side hustles as they pay lower pay rates than others. So, to make navigation easy for you, we have categorized these opportunities. Go through the list and pick the right one that fits your skills. Amazon customer support positions. How much does it pay? The payment would be around $15 per hour and you need to dedicate around 30 hours weekly. Customer support agents are rocking in any field of jobs. This position is available in the US and this job is mostly advertised during the holidays. With a minimum of 1 year experience and a high school diploma degree, you can apply for the position of customer service agent. Along with this, you will also need to have a high command of the English language. The main motive behind this position is to handle clients and solve their issues without making the client offended. This is considered a great opportunity for students, housewives, freelancers, and retired veterans selling on Amazon FBA. How much does it pay? Well, it completely depends on the individual. Few people make $10,000 a month and a few make $1 million a month. It is about selling your products to various people through Amazon. Shortly known as FBA, it allows you to ship your products to the Amazon warehouse and internships to different customers through Amazon. There are also a few merchants that directly ship products to their clients to avoid heavy Amazon shipping charges. If your product has a demand in the market, you will surely make good benefits and FBA will not be risky in that case. This could turn out to be one of the great opportunities that you can cash out your income from Amazon. But privately do remember to follow the tips and understand what the package has in it. Amazon Flex, delivery driver job. How much does it pay? This website states that one can make around $25 per hour during his/her blocks. Since it is a delivery job, earnings vary from person to person. First of all, this job is not completely work-at-home type. But if you love driving your vehicle around your city, then it will be worth your time. This is most similar to various other delivering applications that provide people with a wide range of opportunities to deliver products from a particular point. You can make around $25 on an hourly basis by working as a delivery partner at Amazon. With specialized options of express delivery that deliver goods in 1 or 2 days, the need for such smart drivers with a basic phone and vehicle to transfer has increased. There is wide flexibility and various perks if you are in the correct location. If you wish to try, you can surely attempt Amazon Flex. Amazon Influencer Program. How much does it pay? It depends on the individual. Some creators claimed that they make around $1,500 per month as commissions. You have to be active on social media and gain some amount of fan following to acquire this position. If so, Amazon will lend a supportive hand to help you earn some income with this. All the concern is about advertising the company and its products to the world. If one is already a social media influencer, it becomes easier to make money from it. In a simpler way, you will have to promote the website to the greater audience. All this is possible if you get qualified for this program, and then you will be provided a unique URL. This will help you in performing promotional tasks and earn money eventually. Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, or Facebook accounts are mandatory to get qualified. The number of fans in every panel also does matter in making benefits of the opportunity. Leverage Amazon Kindle publishing to sell ebooks. How much does it pay? It depends on the number of readers of your ebooks. One publisher got paid the highest of $450,000 in a year from his published ebooks. One more option to make money at Amazon is to self-publish electronic books on the portal. Amazon Kindle gives opportunities to creative writers to publish books of their content. There are many benefits like a quotation of your choice and having specific copyrights from the Kindle Direct Publishing, and also 70% royalty program is a bonus. Along with ebooks, you can also sell paperbacks on Amazon around make up to 60% as a royalty program. For people who would like to work alone and with creative skills, this action could turn out to be one great source to let millions of people online know about your skills. Amazon MTurk, how much does it pay? On average, one can earn below $10 per hour. Coming to the highest, one Side Hustle Nation reader reported earning $21,000 in a quarter. MTurk is a sub-panel that lets you perform all kinds of micro-tasks and pays you equally for your efforts. The lengthier tasks you choose, the more you earn from them. Think and pick. The work is redirected to you from various organizations and the payment is made through Amazon. One complex task is subdivided into basic micro-tasks that make it easier for people to fulfill it in less period. This section does not provide any full-time opportunities, yet you can make a good income comparatively. Freelance writing, transcription, translation, data mining, online surveys are a few of the micro-tasks that are available at Amazon MTurk. Apply at MTurk even if you are out of the US because they hire. Warehouse associate. With the feasibility of workspace or location, you can apply as a warehouse associate at Amazon. A specialized training program is given to the employees to improvise their workmanship. You can apply for positions at delivery stations, sortation centers, customer service points, fulfillment centers, and many other related. There are various positions you can pick from and make your bread and butter of it. As a warehouse associate, you can make a minimum of $11 per hour. Retail arbitrage. Unlike the private labeling section at Amazon, this technique will help you to sell products at retail prices. You buy something for a lower price and add a pure margin and sell them at online retail. A lot of people who are associated with retail arbitrage simply purchase products in bulk, which also helps them in reducing the shipping charges. These products, in turn, are sold out in the online market at retail prices. Many people have made their income through this technique. So for sure, you can give it a try at this option as well. Amazon Handmade. This website provides a good scope for people who are good at crafts. Amazon is always supportive of the craftsmanship to make some and try to sell them on Amazon. Without the help of any machine or a kit, if you can craft something by hand, you can sell it here. It is always better to check the requirements section for the approval of a product because there are many rules and regulations to be followed. Sell t-shirts on Amazon Merch. Amazon Merch provides the creative side of designing specialized t-shirts and selling them online. You need to upload your creative artworks with prices by choosing the product type and color on a specific column. Amazon takes the responsibility to get that printed and get shipped to different clients. You will be earning a royalty for every t-shirt that is sold. This process is a bit sturdy as it takes skills to design and time to get approved. Amazon Vine for vendors. If you find any helpful reviews through Amazon.com, then you will earn a chance of winning free products in turn. Based on a random selection, reviewers are to participate in providing reviews and earn coupons or gift cards, or cash in return. Many brands are in support of Vine Voices to provide return gifts to their clients. Your continuous participation and good reviews will help you in winning free products from the panel. Trading programs, at Amazon, are created for people who are stuck with unwanted stuff in their homes. These products can be sold or traded through Amazon in return for a few gift cards from the website. Any basic things like books, video games, electronic devices or furniture can be traded in this panel. You have to make sure that the product is in a safe condition and is ready to be sold with a free shipping tag and send the product to Amazon. If the product gets qualified and sold, you may earn gift cards that may take around 12 days to get delivered to your account. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and gained value from it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Also, leave your thoughts down below. I'd love to hear them. With that said, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications bell, and thanks for watching, ladies.